Ito pala yung boys sa probinsya. Ay, char. Ito, Sharga! Yan! Sulitin mo yung lip mo, te!
Ayan, dapat.
Childhood lips at saka chubby. Ba't ganito? Kinatabi.
It's hard to let go of wasted time. Quit fighting to find all the answers you need to know. Start trying. Taught to feel so righteous. They can be alone. Maybe we don't have to be so beautiful and tall.
Manok is done!
The truth lives on anywhere beyond the grave. You gotta wake up.
I got bells on my toes, a heart for a nose. I'm the grand prize of the carnival show. I'm all by myself, way up on the shelf, waiting for you to come along and give me some help. Take me home.
Hi, guys.
I'll give you all of my loving.
We're third wheeling.
I'll give you all of my loving. I'd be so soft in your hands. You could take me to the dance. Show me
Thank you.
everybody.
This looks good.
How it would be, just you and me. You could call it love if you
Sa
want.
inyo yan, di ba?
Take me
Thank you po.
Parang nasang donut.
Eat that, bro.
Titikman nyo yan.
Pag nag-travel,
you.
parang yun talaga yung pinaka-tikman ko lahat ng
Ganda nga eh.
kusin nila. Thank you to.
all of my loving. I'll get dirty. You'll have to keep
Tara
me
na,
clean.
amigo.
The gentle cycle on the washing machine. You'll need to hold me when I rip and tear. A small price to pay for taking me
Situation
everywhere.
right now.
And when we
The
get
situation we are in right now.
over,
Hi, guys.
you can love and squeeze and hold me tight.
Yeah.
And if the world has got you down and you need to cry, I'll be right there by your side,
Recorded.
giving you all of my love.
Hi guys, we're at San Roque, Ilocos Sur,
Yeah.
and we're having a sunset viewing. Yeah,
Look at the sunset. Perfect.
look at the sunset. Oh damn, that's good. That's freaking good. So we're taking some photos. A mandatory pictorial. Yeah.
Wait, go.
We have a mandatory pictorial now, guys. Yeah.
Gusto mo ganyan pa ako?
Those girls are crazy.
Ito nga ba tayo natin? Dito, kaharap?
Tara nice, mag-vlog tayo.
Nagpo-vlog natin. Woo!
Hi.
Vlog take over.
Yes, it's good to be back home.
Oh, I'm wearing socks.
We're wearing socks right now, clogs.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. That's the beauty of nature.
Wow.
Ganda ng buhay, guys. Kahit mahirap, guys. Just look at the bright side.
Motivational pa siya.
Yeah. This is how the life
God.
works. Look at that. Look at that. That is the proof that life is very beautiful. Look at that. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that. That is the proof that life is beautiful.
Look at them, guys.
Look at them.
Oh God. Kasan natin i-zoom?
I don't know. Yeah.
There you go. What? Let's go back, guys.
Let's go back. Yeah. Ibigay mo to sa natin na Jay.
Osmo Pocket.
Yeah, Osmo Pocket. Yeah. That's good for vlogging. Yeah, we found what is it? We found a freaking shell. Very good sunset.
Oh damn. There's the owner. Oh, the owner of the vlog.
What? Hi guys, maganda hapon guys.
Ipapost sa YouTube yan ha. Ibang vlog to YouTube talaga siya.
May ano talaga, may dapat sarili kang ano.
May video din tayo.
Yeah.
Tayong apat. Mamaya.
Hindi dito tayo sa ano ngayon. Beautiful beach of San Roque. Ay no. Yeah, it's San Roque.
Nakabot namin lang sapatos.
Tingnan mo nga oh. With barefoot.
There. Then,
Mawala na yung ano ko.
Gimbal, okay. Oh. Go back. Okay. Wow, nice. So, ano ba sasabihin natin guys? Wala lang, just enjoying the view. And sometimes life brings you challenges, but laban lang. Kasi wala kang choice para lumaban, di ba? That's the life lesson. Just keep fighting. Bakit naman kasi pag ano pag di ka lumalaban, diba? Kaya don't surrender in life. Okay? Crazy. Mga crazy shit. Okay. Wow, just look at the beauty. Just look at the beauty.
Medyo maano kasi.
Wow. Napakapayapa guys. Sarap magbakasyon. Kaya sasabihin nyo sa boss nyo, magbakasyon na kayo. Sick leave. Dapat gamitin nyo na lahat ng leaves nyo. Sick leave. Emergency leave. Vacation leave. Ganon kasi. Sabihin mo, boss, magsisiklib ako, boss. Pero nasa dagat ka. Ganon yun, boss.
Andiyan lang. Pagod ka?
Pagod siya.
Naka-picture? Diba? Ngayon ang trabaho ng mekaniko.
Anong trabaho behind the...
Taga-Lufthansa. Diba? Aray. Meron tayo isa.
Yeah, guys.
Gusto nyo. Where at? Where?
We're at...
Gani Kuya Ken eh. Vlog.
May channel yan siya.
Bakit totga? Pwede pa naman balikan.
Gawin. Wala na siyang oras.
Pero habang nag-aayos ka ng aeroplano.
Tira! Sa Rocky.
I wanna go to the CR.
Test mo yan. Ang galing mo naman.
Yeah, I'm very good at this. Oh my god, the gimbal. No.
No, turn it to the left. Parang joystick yan eh. Yan.
Yeah.
Ikaw na.
Let me handle.
Ang ganda, ate.
Very good.
Video yan. Yan picture.
Okay lang yan. At least, diba, mas maganda ang video kasi may
Pwede may
actions.
screenshot.
Yeah.
May actions. Hindi ka walang filtered moments, diba?
Grabe. Pwede na maging vlogger. Bakit mo yung ano?
Yeah. Look at the beach, guys.
Meron na? Pwede na mag-picture?
Wow.
Stop.
Woo! Let's go, baby. Sarap naman. Sarap naman ng bakasyon. Pag di mo iniisip yung mga trabaho, guys.
Lubad na siya.
I'll be the girl wearing a shirt out in the pouring rain.
This ain't a rom-com, this is real life. Let me show you a ring. Don't need to play no game. So why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything. I need to say anything.
When you call up, I get thought up like I'm been away.
I get nervous on the surface, ain't a James Dean type. We're just cooped up in a cruiser on a Friday night. We could let it ride. Why'd you say I quit being overthinking about everything? Give it up, tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I could do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything.
Take advantage. Here comes to mandatory pictorial na naman, guys.
Thinking about everything.
Grabe ka naman.
Tell you what I wanna say.
May lagi kan tayo sa Liamati Boy.
Do the John Hughes kinda or cliche. Either way, I need to say anything.
Alitan din naman yung ano.
Being overthinking about everything. Give it up,
Hi guys!
tell you what I wanna say right now. 'Cause I can do the John Hughes kinda or cliche, but either way, I need to say anything.
Our princess.
I need to say anything.
Ikaw yung pinakamasungit. Ikaw ah. Ano din kayo? Lagi. Hala! Ano din sila?
Sila pa kayo sa Ilocos.
Pa kami dito.
Ay, ikaw pa kayo tamatid.
Parang may katabi kami matulog ka mukha mo din. I'm living the life. Right. Exactly. Divine. Mara.
Nagtitingin kasi wala naman akong kasama.
Ano?
Alam yung ano, yung
Oh my God, may pomodoro.
yung breakfast.
Ayoko ng Japanese. Lagi na lang tayong Japanese. Arigato gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. The vibes look. Nagugusto ko pag... Si Mara ang takapagmana.
Don.
Iba ang atake mo. Si Don Kidong.
Black bean.
Latte Ilocano. May kardis. Ikaw, I choose you.
Do you want today?
Everything, right? I'll choose coffee. Pero syempre,
Go,
latte
kids.
Ilocano
Suboy.
tayo. Kasi nandito tayo. Latte Ilocano.
Hi. Wow.
Getting hot there.
Kahit nga tubig, di pa tayo binibigyan. Siguro lasang ano to. Ang unti naman ng kape. Unti ng kape. Sobrang unti ng kape siya.
Din pa adyo.
Masarap. Pero unti yung kape. Lasang ano siya. Gatas. Na may ano.
Kape.
Like mom. Dito na lang po.
I got bells on my toes, a heart for a nose. I'm the grand prize of the carnival show. I'm all by myself, way up on the shelf, waiting for you to come along and give me some help. Take me home.
Like it.
I'll give you all of my loving. I'll give you all of my loving. I'd be so soft in your hands. You could take me to the dance and show me off to everybody. That's how it would be, just you and me. You could call it love if you wanna. Take me home. Step right up, give your best shot for me.
Ano yung sanay silang ganun? Nakala ko.
Ang tanong nila sa atin, kung dito ba daw tayo Let's go. First time? Totoo ba? Ikaw Kali lang ano ka na?
No! This is not my first time.
Nakikita natin si Gidong doon.
Say hi, Mara! Hi, Mara! Hi, guys. Say hi to my vlog.
Hey, ano din sila ng sila doon?
Hi, guys.
Kung mabaling kapag naan ng parang that event.
Nasa tayo? First time. Vegan. Ito papakita namin sa inyo yung vegan church. And we're now riding the Calesa. Be, tingin ka, Be. Yes.
We're riding ano?
Mustang. We're riding.
Mustang, 1 horsepower. Yan ang ganda, dapat na ganda. Jerome. Nice one, Jerome.
Sabi ni Kuya, ang pangalan daw ng aming horse is Jerome.
Si Maris na, di ba?
Guys, vlogmas na kami. Yes. In Ilocos for tourists. Ito! Oh, saan siya pupunta? Mukha po, wait lang. Parang tatabihan niya. Hindi. Ay, baka nag-aircon lang.
Kabano naman siya maaga.
Guys, di siya sumama. Hindi siya kasya din. Okay lang.
Baka magsulo pa yun eh. Stand siya ng ganun.
Ang galing! Pakiulit! Baka na yung dance. Go! Ano yan? This is where our money goes. Charot. Ito, City Hall. City Hall.
Capital. Oh my God. May coding ata to si Mustang. Capital. Oh my God. At, akala ko yung for good.
Enhance dati yun.
Ayan. Aesthetic. Nagagulahan na kasi na yung tour guide.
Kasi ako mahilig ako sa history.
History?
Oo. Alam ko nga kung saan nanggaling yung ano, yung alamat ng waling-waling.
Ako din magaling ako sa history. Alam ko nga saan ka galing eh.
Kanino kayo ni-research?
Ano tayo? Intramuros Pro Max. Naka-blue kaming lahat. Ganito ba yung tsura ko pag sa totoong boy? Oh, nakakaganda lang talaga ito. Ganyan ka talaga.
Ano tawon natin?
Jerome, blink if you need help. Nalagyan natin yun. Nalaglag yung cellphone ko pero hindi naman. Ang galing pa rin. Naiwasan natin. Ay, oh my God. Hindi. Ano yung timer? Grabe, ang galing talaga yung cellphone na to. Nakakailan na to sa akin eh. Lagay mo na dito. Naiwasan naman pero muntik na pinong-tricycle. Kaya hindi ko tinignan, B. Ayaw niya magpapalit. Yun naman.
Ilagay mo na dyan.
Ito na. Hello. Oh, shoot. Wala yung taga-dito yung kaway nag-enjoy, ha?
Sa pizza pala yan. Ano, gusto nyo na bumaba dito para maglakad na tayo dito sa area?
Sige.
Ano lang?
I'm pawis. Kasol. Uy, ang toro yun. Okay naman yung suot mo, kuya? Yes. Behind the scenes. 1, 2. So hot. It's so hot. Pawis sa place na ako.
Hindi na tayo panada.
Super painful. Madali sila kasi. Bado sa party namin.
Topic. Yung ano bawal na gawin. Let's go! Sinasabi ko sa'yo na isirat ka matakot. Nakita ko si Gord!
Yung mga food stalls, it's open. Mara's first time trying vegan and Ilocos empanada. Never.
Tikim ng empanada?
Never.
Really?
Never. Ano ka muna? Pang beginner muna. Ano? Regular. Deserve. Ayan, dapat authentic Ilocano empanada. Raymond's on top. Here you go. Raymond's. Yung may laman, be.
Regular ako.
Ten, ito na tayo, be? Opo.
Tibok.
Ay, sorry, baby. Woo!
Early sales. Oh, I don't have money though. Kahit ilang sale pa yan, wala akong pera.
Ang bibilin ko sa Get Ready. Yung brow something.
Mabilis ka palang maano.
Ay, kitana ako. Feeling ko colorist ka at. Hindi naman
We're
nakalabas
trying the 10 yen, what's this? 10 yen cheese coin.
Oh, yeah. Walang 10.
Bayadan namin. Ilang special natin pinagawa.
There you go. Ano yan? Dalawang moza overload.
Ito yung Nutella.
You introduce it.
Nutella.
What did you get?
Mozzarella overload. Dalawa.
Wow.
This is yours.
Try it.
Ito.
Sino yung double egg?
Ha? Double po.
We have our empanada right there.
Tapos 1 egg, 1 lumpia. Mainit pa ba? Para sa kanya hindi. Regular.
Oh! Go.
Mainit ba? Hindi naman. Wala pa mag-ulit. 1 egg, 1 double sa kanya.
Oh! Oh!
Mainit.
Yum. Oh. Masarap. Is eating empanada
Empanada.
for the first time. It's good. Parang waffle lang na may papala.
lang. Lagyan na talaga. Ano ba talaga? Masarap may ketchup. Mamaya, try mo muna.
Mamaya walang ketchup.
Yes!
First impression.
First impressions last. Lagyan mo nung balat.
Ano yung balat? Tingnan mo ng suka.
Para...
Yes. Yes. Is it good?
Diba dalawang special
Yeah,
house ang
it's
regular?
good.
Ano lasa ng empanada? Sarap. Sarap. Pa po. Kasi kami yung double po. Wala pa po.
They're here. Kuya Kel and Kuya Bog is here.
Hindi ko nila kay mama.
Teeth. Bon
Got
appetit.
it.
Bon appetit.
They're here.
Eat, bro.
What's up?
Eat, bro. How is it? How's the...
Wala namang reserve.
Ah.
Can I have?
Look how big it is.
Ayun na.
Laki.
Lagi mo na food vlogger.
Walang transition.
Lab. Di pa matulab. Lab, di pa matulab. In so long.
Ano ba to? Parang
Yung Japanese. Videohan kita.
big cookie with cheese. So, pinigay sa akin, nakagatan na.
Oo. Kailan namin yun. Kami dalawa ni
Ah.
Ito ay parang pancake na may, ano to? Cheese?
Ah.
May, mozzarella cheese. So, let's try it.
Sarap, no?
How is it?
Parang siyang pancake na may cheese. Pero,
Iba yung texture.
iba yung lasa ng pancake. May ano siya.
Ginkgo biloba e?
Hindi, may
Oh, grabe. Grabe.
super stretchy.
Grabe. Yes. That's the real mozzarella.
Rate it though.
Rate it from 1 to 10. Rate it.
Solid 8.
Solid 8.
Masarap. Balance yung lasa ng pancake ka. Parang cheese. Very good.
Ikaw. How's your... Grabe. Grabe.
Yan naman tayo sa empanada. Empanada. Kung makikita nyo, may layers siya ng may layers siya ng mga gulay, tapos egg, tapos longganisa.
Ano yung gulay dyan?
Ewan ko, pinag-halo-halong cabbage.
Taray!
Cabbage, tapos basta.
Tingin nga ng empanada.
This is the ever famous Ilocos empanada. Here at Candon City, Ilocos Sur. Pero originated siya sa Ilocos Norte, I think.
Ganun yun.
Yes. So, ganito ang kumain na ito. Ngayon, di ba, pupukain mong ganyan. Ngayon, kukuha ka ng, ay, suka.
This one or the...
Suka and the,
Look at this, man.
yeah, and this one. Ito ang combo niyan. Suka with sibuyas.
Ketchup lang.
Then, give me the
Hot
soap.
No, it's
Ketchup.
not.
Like this.
Good.
Dito. Hindi mo dito. Then, yan. Then, the perfect bite.
Sarap. Mapapasabi ka ng? Ang init!
Sarap. Yun talaga yung ano niya. Sarap. Hindi ako nagsasawa sa empanada.
Ako din. Kahit yung lumpia nada nga, sarap eh.
Talaga. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa empanada?
Sarap. So, lahat ng gawa sa Ilocos masarap eh.
Sinaisi, gawang...
Yung Ilocos.
Yung isa doon, hindi na namin makausap kasi so busy. Di ba, Bok? Bok? Drinks. Hindi ka makakawin.
Once may empanada, it's double-double. Be.
Aftermath.
No, we dirty as hell.
With the aftermath.
We dirty as hell.
Okay guys, we're going home. Vlog na dito ko tada amok dito eh. Ito. We don't give a freak, man.
Maganda yung positive friends.
Oh, thank you guys. Ang dami neto. Food trip na naman.
Diba, aga cook?
Wala pang araw.
Sit in silence with your rifle by my ear.
Kailan pa kaya kami nakakala dito? Vibing.
Just to keep you here. But you push me out. I keep you down. You touch my mouth and lie like you mean it, and I'm halfway home. So in the middle, like a cold phone. Sweet like a little break me to pieces and skip town. God, I love when you let me down so bad. I should.
The VIP for the Sabongest. Nagigetting to know each other pa sila. Hey! Pusa, nag-click sila. Nag-click sila. Oh my God! Oh. We are the lucky charms because we're Miss Buoyant.
It's exhausting. Don't have to tell the world the truth, but goddamn it, tell it to yourself. But you